In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see withdrawal history on eToro. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to confirm when money has left your trading account, how much was moved, and the current status of each transaction. This is especially helpful for tracking cash movements, reconciling with your bank or payment provider, and keeping your records tidy. Start on your eToro account and head straight to Portfolio. This is the area that summarizes your investments and overall account activity. On desktop, you'll typically find Portfolio in the main navigation. On mobile, it's accessible from the bottom menu. Opening Portfolio ensures you're in the right place to view not just holdings and performance, but also a log of what's happened in your account. Inside Portfolio, switch over to History. If you're seeing your open positions or current holdings, that means you're still on the main Portfolio view. History is the section that records what's already happened: closed trades, cash movements, and other account events sorted by date. Moving to history shifts the focus from what you currently own to what has changed over time. Once you're in history, scroll through the page and click Net Cash Flow. This option focuses specifically on money moving in and out of your account, filtering out trade-related entries so you can concentrate on deposits and withdrawals. If your list is long, take a moment to scroll until you find Net Cash Flow, then select it to narrow the view to the cash activity you care about. You'll now see deposits and withdrawals along with their status. Deposits indicate funds you've added to your account, while withdrawals show funds you requested to send out to your bank or payment method. Each line will include an amount, a date, and a status label. Common statuses include pending or processing for transactions still in motion, and completed for those that have finished successfully. If something was canceled or failed, it will be clearly indicated, helping you understand whether you need to wait longer or follow up with your provider. Use the dates and amounts here to match entries with your external statements, keeping in mind that processing times can vary depending on the payment method and region. If a recent withdrawal doesn't appear immediately, it may not have been recorded yet. Give it a little time to populate in history. That's all there is to it. Go to Portfolio, open History, scroll and select Net Cash Flow, and review deposits, withdrawals, and their status. With this view, you can verify transactions with confidence and stay on top of your account's cash movements.